Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make this really cute birthday card. You might remember on Monday I had shared my card sketch number 68 and I gave you some tips and tricks on how to make these little cute cupcakes with the Detailed Birthday Edgelits, which look like this. And today we're going to use the birthday cheer stamp set with the party hat and then also this greeting. It says time for a spectacular celebration, which is on the front of the card. So this is available in a bundle and you can save 10% right now, and these are both located in the Occasions catalog. So I'll have the link down below if you want to check out this video on how I did the cupcakes. But today we're going to make this card using the card sketch number 68. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let me give you all the measurements of the pieces. We're going to start with the base, which is the Costa Cabana. And this is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then a piece of Whisper White, which is going to be for the inside, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Now for the layers, there's a lot of layers. I love layering on my cards. So the Gorgeous Grape, this piece is cut at 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And then the Whisper White is going to layer on top of that, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. Then you have your designer paper. Now I'm going to make this card using the Costa Cabana with the polka dots, but this is the How Sweet It Is designer paper, and this is also in the Occasions catalog, and it's so fun and bright, cheerful designer paper. So this is the sample again here, which is, these are the 2 strips that I use for this card, but instead of using the purple polka dots, I'm going to use the Costa Cabana because I ran out actually for my club ladies because they made this card this last weekend. So I just wanted to make sure I had enough for them. And then I'm just going to change it up today for the video. So this piece is cut at 1 5/8 by 4 7/8. And then this piece is cut slightly bigger. This is 1 7/8 by 4 7/8. Okay, so 1 5/8 and then 1 7/8. And then they're both cut at 4 7/8 long. Okay, so then the Melon Mambo, this piece is cut at 2 7/8 by 4 1/8. The Highland Heather, which is cut at 2 5/8 by 3 7/8. The Daffodil Delight, which is cut at 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. And then a piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. All right, so let's go ahead and do some stamping. Okay, so we're going to stamp the Time for a Spectacular Celebration. I'm also going to grab some scrap Whisper White to stamp our hat. Okay, so then for the inside, we're going to use a brand new stamp set that's going to be available on March 1st through March 31st, and I'll show you that here in a second. But this is what I use for the inside of the card with extra sprinkles on top, and then of course I added some more confetti on that. So let me show you that stamp set. Okay, so this is the stamp set More Than Words, and it's right here with extra sprinkles on top. Now this is going to be for the Celebration Coordination promotion that starts on March 1st through the 31st right here. And on the back side, you're going to see on this flyer, all these items coordinate with the celebration items that you're earning for free right now. So you got the little hop around framelits that match the little So Hoppy For You, the frog stamp set that you can get for free for celebration. And then this is the stamp set, More Than Words. Okay, so remember, this starts on March 1st. So we're going to use the, with extra sprinkles on top for the inside. So we're going to use the Memento ink. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp the greeting first on the little 2 3/4 square piece. I'm going to actually bring in a piece here so I can see exactly where I'm stamping. Because stamping on the Whisper White and then having a white background, it's kind of hard to see. Okay, so let's see if I can, I'm going to stamp it towards the bottom because we're going to put our party hat kind of going off to the side on the top. Just like that. Isn't that cute? All right, and then we're going to go ahead and stamp the inside with extra sprinkles on top. Love that. And then we're going to grab a piece of scrap and we're going to stamp our party hat, and then we're going to hand cut that out. Okay, so let me grab my scissors. All right, so let's go ahead and cut this out. It's actually pretty easy. Okay, so there's our party hat. All right, so now let's go ahead and build our card, and then we'll color the party hat. So let me grab my snail. I never considered myself a bright color girl. I mean, I like the bright colors, but it's not my go-to. Like when I grab for colors, it's usually the regals or the neutrals or even the subtles. But this designer paper, oh my gosh, it's so amazing. It really is turning me into a brights girl. I love the whole color combination, and of course it's got all the really pretty purples in there, which I'm a purple girl, so right up my alley. All right, so you can see the difference already with the background. So it doesn't really matter what design you're using for your designer paper. It's still going to be a bright, colorful, and cheerful birthday card. Even if with the Costa Cabana color and then the polka dots on this side. So whatever you use, it's going to be really super cute. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the inside in. All right, now for the confetti, let me show you what I did for that. So I cut little strips out of the same colors on the card, which is the Gorgeous Grape, Daffodil, the Melon Mambo, Highland Heather, and then the Costa Cabana. You could also cut out some of the Granny Apple Green, but then I used the punch pack, which is the Blooms punch pack, which you get all 4 punches in the pack, and these are listed in the occasions catalog as well. And I use this punch with the little circle, which will be like the confetti. So you're just going to go ahead and punch out just a bunch of little circles. So let me go ahead and do that. Now remember, we're going to decorate the inside as well. So we're going to put 2 of each color onto the front and then 1 for the inside. So there's all my little circles. All right, and then the easiest way I found to attach those is just using your liquid glue. And I'm just going to randomly dot little circles here along the left-hand side. Just like that. And let me grab my take your pick tool. Set them in the glue. Okay, isn't that cute? Okay, so there's our confetti for the inside and then the front. All right, now we're going to let that set to dry and we're going to color in our party hat. So I have all the Stampin' Blends. Let me share the colors here. So we're using the Pool Party Dark, the Bermuda Bay Light, Granny Apple Green Light, Flirty Flamingo Dark, the Highland Heather Light, and then the Daffodil Delight in the dark. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and color in the party hat. Isn't it cute? All right, now we're going to pop this part up of the hat onto the front of the card. So let me grab my dimensionals. Okay, let's bring in our card. Then this is just going to sit over to the side. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love this card. Okay, so then one more thing, we're gonna add some Wink Stella. Let me grab that. We're gonna color the party hat and we're going to color in the little confetti. Get that little piece out of there. And then we're gonna also do the inside as well. So cute. So time for a spectacular celebration with extra sprinkles on top. Love it. Okay, so let me show you the other one. So here's the other one using the purple with the polka dots on the side instead of the Costa Cabana polka dots, but so cute. And then once again, here's the card sketch number 68 that was posted on Monday with this card using the edgelits that match the stamp set that we used, which look like this. The Detailed Birthday Edgelits and then the birthday cheer is the stamp set we used. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.